Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about 15 simple money saving ideas to help you decrease your monthly expenditures. Over the last year, our spending habits have shifted dramatically. We all need a little financial inspiration to help us save where we can, whether we have saved more or spent all of our money. So, have a look at our 23 tried and true money saving strategies. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save without even attempting it. So before started, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to do not miss any new video. 1. Save first, then spend. First and foremost, pay yourself. If you accomplish this, you'll be well on your road to financial independence. When it comes to budgeting, use the 50/30/20 flexible method. This means that 50% of your take-home money goes to necessities, bills, food, minimum debt payments, 30% goes to fun, dining out, etc., and 20% goes to your future self, debt payments above the minimum, saving for emergencies and investing. You can modify the ratios as you go if this split doesn't work for you when money is tight. 2. If you have a credit card debt, don't pay interest on it. Make a plan to pay off your credit card debt if you have one. Don't worry if you don't have a ready lump money to magically disappear the entire sum. You can achieve the same objective by switching the debt to a 0% balance credit card and paying a predetermined amount every month to avoid paying interest for a set period of time, up to 30 months. 3. Maintain your focus. Allowing money to slip through your fingers is a bad idea. Prepaid cards, such as Monese and TransferWise, only let you spend what you load, whereas digital bank Monzo allows you to transfer a specific amount of spending money to your card. Is it too high-tech? Create a daily spending account with its own card and deposit your weekly disposable income into it. 4. Use a private browser. When you purchase online, using incognito mode might help you save money by wiping your browser history when you close a tab. This means that businesses can't trace what you're looking at and raise rates. Yes, it happens, which is particularly beneficial when planning your next vacation. 5. Don't overspend on payday. According to the Payday Save Day survey conducted by Nationwide, 1 out of every 5 consumers spends more than half of their spare monthly salary within 48 hours after receiving their paycheck. Don't let your extra cash burn a hole in your pocket. Instead, ask yourself if you truly require it. Before you start spending, make a list of your most important outgoings and set aside some money for savings. You'll know how much disposable income you have left for the rest of the month this way. 6. Be resourceful with your money. Make the most of your £20,000 tax-free ISA allowance if you haven't already. You can save money in either a cash or an investment ISA. Cash ISA rates aren't particularly attractive right now, but the longer you're willing to leave the money alone, the more you'll earn. You don't need a lot of money to get started investing, and you don't have to be an expert either. Moneybox, for example, allows you to start investing with as little as a few pence by rounding up your loose change every time you purchase. 7. Survive the storm. If the present financial crisis has taught us anything, it is the value of having a rainy day fund. Start saving if yours has taken a beating recently, or if you've never had one before. Anything is better than nothing. The general norm is to have 3 months' worth of income set aside for emergencies, or 6 months if you have a mortgage. 8. Change your provider. Spend 15 minutes on a comparison site and you'll almost certainly find lower-cost options for your home expenditures. According to Ofgem, moving to a better electricity and gas plan can save the average household £300 per year. 9. Remortgage your home. If your fixed-term mortgage contract has come to an end, you may be subject to a high-interest loyalty penalty, which may cost you up to £1,000 each year. So, chat to your mortgage broker about remortgaging to the best deal for the time being, or go to unbiased.co.uk or vouched for to find an impartial mortgage expert. 10. Go shopping for your own brand. From cornflakes and pasta to oven chips and dishwashing detergent, swapping branded products for own brand alternatives is a simple method to reduce your grocery spend. If you're concerned about the taste being tainted, blind test them on your family beforehand. You've got a winner if they don't detect the difference. 11. Recover money that has your name on it. You could be sitting on a pot of riches without even noticing it, from neglected bank accounts to tax rebates. Do you have a sneaky hunch that your name is on a savings account somewhere? With My Lost Account, you can find out. 12. Review your insurance coverage. If you'll be driving less as a result of the pandemic and working from home more, make sure your car insurance is still adequate. Always look for cheaper offers with your current supplier and comparison websites like Compare the Market and Money Supermarket before auto-renewing. 13. Save money on groceries. Buying exactly what you require may appear to be a simple approach to save money, but it is not always true. After you've planned your meals for the week, the Love Food Hate Waste portion calculator may help you figure out how much food you'll need for the day where you don't spend any money. Exercise self-control and strive to have at least one no-spend day per week. This will teach you to be more cautious with your money in the long run. This can be as simple as eating leftovers from the night before instead of eating out, nibbling just from your weekly grocery store, and bringing coffee/tea in a reusable cup. Do you need more than one brew each day? If you bring a portable mug, several chains, including Pret, will reduce the price of your beverage. 15. Check your business's benefits. If you haven't taken the time to look into the benefits your company may provide, now is an excellent time to do so. From healthcare insurance to childcare assistance to local discounts, know what's available, join up, and you'll get the most bang for your buck.